Hi friends, welcome to the special session for JAIIB today. What is the special session about here? Now many of you might be have already want to give the JAIIB this time, isn't it? You want to give it? So if you want to give the JAIIB, many of you might be enthusiastic. Yes, I will study. Then what happens? First month you are very enthusiastic. Then you see the books, big books. I'll study after this. After 1 month, in the evening I'll study after I come back from the bank. After you come back from the bank, eating, then children, sleep, tomorrow morning, again day starts. So the problem is, always remember, time never waits for anything. And how this 5-6 months will pass, you don't even know. So you must have some strategy, the best disciplined approach. So what is that disciplined approach? That's what I'll be showing. So watch the video completely, share it with your friends, like this channel, see, subscribe to this channel, JAIIB CAIIB English Medium. You're getting many things on free. See, you're getting YT series of all the subjects, all the questions freely. Okay? So best way to prepare for JAIIB, abhi join karo. Join kar lo abhi. For studying anything, you must know what you have to study first, isn't it? So what are the subjects now? The 4 subjects for your JAIIB are Indian Economy and Indian Financial System, Principles and Practices of Banking, PPB, Indian Economy and Financial System, IE, IFS, Retail Banking and Wealth Management. All the subjects, I'll tell you, all the subjects are equally difficult. All of them. Earlier, many students used to say, IEIFS very difficult, AFM very difficult, PPB very lengthy, RBWM will do it. Last 1 week we'll do it, RBWM. Can't do it. I teach RBWM. This time's RBWM paper, if you see, this June 25, May 25. The paper was so tough, 25 marks were the numericals. Numericals, RBWM, 25 marks. Can you imagine? The level was so tough. It was the toughest paper of all the 4 this time. So these are the 4 papers. What are the 4 modules? That's why I said disciplined approach. Module A, Indian Economic Architecture, Indian Economy. Okay? Then Economic Concepts, Indian Financial System, Financial Architecture, Financial Products and Services. Now what is all this? I have taken all the sessions. What do these modules give you? But you must know, have the fair idea of this. It is totally related to Indian economy. Then PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking. This is the lengthiest paper, lengthiest book also, 990 pages roughly. General banking operations, functions of banking, banking technology, ethics in banking and financial management. These are the 4 modules which you have. Go through each one. I have given the details of each one. Then now this is not IIFS, this is AFM, accounts. Okay? So this is accounts. Let me write it. This is accounts. Okay? AFM we call it. Account and Financial Management for Banks. AFM. Okay? In AFM, you have accounting principles and processes. Then you have financial statements and core banking systems. Then you have financial management, taxation and fundamentals of costing. These are the 4 modules. You'll have lot of numericals in AFM. Lot and lot. Okay? In AFM, you'll be having many numericals. Similarly, you'll be having the numericals in RBWM. These 2 papers, you will not be having the numericals. Up till now, they have not been asked. You don't know in future, but up till now, they have not been asked. RBWM, Retail Banking, then Retail Products and Recovery, Support Services, Marketing of Banking and Services and Products, Wealth Management. So these are the 4 modules. Now you'll see some of the modules are common over here. Which are the modules which are common? See this. If you look at it, General Banking Operations, this will be common over here somewhere, roughly retail products. These 2 will be common somewhere. Okay? Similarly, this taxation part, This will be common over here. In wealth management, you have a separate chapter of tax management. Okay. So this will be common over here. Financial products and services. So this will somewhere be common in this functions of banks and over here. This. So there are many common topics over here. Okay. Banking technology, this part. This you have some reference, this one. Some reference is there over here. Retail products and recovery. You have some reference of technology also over here. So there are many concepts, many topics which are common. You have to find out the common link between these two. This is taught in the classes. So that's why I'll say join the classes ASAP. Under 24/7 new batches have just now started. Join them ASAP. Okay? All the 4 subjects are covered. I'll tell you at the end how to join. Okay? Importantly, remember, for studying anything, you must know first what you have to study. Okay? Only then you will be able to give that justice to that, isn't it? Now, what to focus on while studying? Remember, in each paper, you have these common things. Numericals. Now, numericals are there in 2 papers, not in each paper. Okay? So, numericals you have in RBWM and AFM. Okay, these 2 papers you will be having numericals. Theory, all of them, all the 4, right? In fact, to cover the numericals, your theory should be clear. Without theory, you will not be able to solve the numericals. So theory is a base. This is the base of anything. You want to solve objective questions, you want to solve case studies. For this, everything relates to theory. Everything relates to theory. If your theory is clear, only then you can do it. I want to go on moon. But if I don't have the studies, theory properly, then how will I go? Right? I want to do something, solve something, do the construction of a bridge. I don't have my theory clear. How will I construct that bridge? Same logic over here. Objective questions. Objective questions are like the 1 mark questions. 1 mark. These are the 1 mark questions. In fact, you have over here, in JAIIB you have 2 mark, 1 mark and half mark questions. Some questions will be of 2 marks, some will be 1, some will be half. 2 marks will be roughly 20 questions. Roughly, I'll tell you. 20 or 25, not more than that. 1 mark will be around 30-35 questions. And this half mark will be around 60 to 70. So this is the overall rough picture. Plus or minus something. Objective questions are like, you have seen that test match or even my test match 2020 or even 1-day match. You have seen that? There we require all the 6s. 6, 4, 6, 4. But can you play 6s and 4s on all the balls? You have to score the one single run also. So these are the single runs. Single runs make you win the match. Similarly, these 1 mark questions make you win JAIIB. Case studies, these are the 6s, 4s and 6s. So 1 mark is also important and this case studies are also important. This will check your problem solving ability. Problem solving. Okay, this is totally, but kindly remember, it is not like your banking exam. When you entered the bank, you gave that exam. And that time that analytical comprehension, all these things, this is not that. This is totally related to subject. Nothing in general will be asked. Totally related to subject. Okay, so it's not that easy. Got it? It's not that easy. So that's why what I would suggest is, again I'll tell you, join the Adda 24/7 classes, new batches. Okay? How to study now? First year, whenever you start studying, do one simple trick. First 1 or 2 weeks, understand the syllabus and get the materials. Do this first. Understand the syllabus. Get the material first. All the material should be ready with you. At Adda 24/7, we have kept the material also ready. Then next, get a clear understanding of the syllabus and the example. Once you have this syllabus and everything in place, get understanding. Read that. Go through that. Go through it. Again, collect the study material including books, notes, everything. So books, notes, all these things should be with you. See, it shouldn't happen at the end. During the exam time, 2 months remaining, I don't have the book. I don't have this question bank. I don't have this material. It shouldn't happen like this. So be ready. Prepare everything first hand only. Okay? Start reading the basics of each subject. Start reading. See, this is for first month only, I am telling you. If you start well, everything will go good. But if you delay in this, if you don't start as per the schedule which I am giving, in first month you must complete everything. This month, July started, this month only you should complete everything. Start reading the basics of each subject, focus on understanding the concepts, follow the classes. Classes are very much important. Without classes, studying the whole portion in next 2-3 months is almost impossible. Okay? And for your personal studies, what should you do? Discipline, very important. 1 hour daily studies, compulsory. Classes and then studies. Do the classes also, then study also. So 1 hour daily studies. Follow the right notes. Many on YouTube I have seen. YouTube, Google, this free note, that free note. On nowadays we have this on what? Telegram channels. Many are there. This free, that free. Kindly note, whatever is free is always dangerous. Whatever is free is always dangerous. Quality comes at a cost. Kindly note, quality comes at a cost. Comes at a cost. At Adda 24/7 we charge. We give you free also on YT. We charge for the paid classes. But the mentors over here at Adda 24/7 have more than 10 to 12 years experience. More than 40-50,000 students have passed. All are experienced bankers and financial consultants. So we have gone through this all. Quality comes at a cost. Kindly remember, if something is free, it's not worthy. Again, follow the right mentors. Again, same. Follow the right guidance, right classes. Again, the increment which you get, hardly you recover this fees of the classes in what? 4 or 5 months. That's it then. Throughout your life, whatever remains is yours. Per subject, roughly 15 days studies, 15 days practices on the test papers. Compulsory. Now, if you do this 15-15, see, it is 1 month, right? So, 15 days here for studies, 15 days for practice. So, 1 month is gone. 1 month gone for PPB, 1 month for AFM, 1 month for this Indian economy, 1 month for RBW. 4 months are gone. Immediately 5th month almost your exam starts. So this is the best schedule. You must follow this only. Okay? And about the classes now, how to join the classes, that also I'll show you. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. Always purchase the classes through the app. Download the app first, then purchase. Okay? Go to Adda 24/7. See this. The best Mahapack for you for studies is JAIIB Increment Mahapack. The best Mahapack. E-books, mock tests, online live classes, recorded sessions. These are to the level of chapter wise, per chapter. Also full, complete. Per chapter also full also. Right now you are getting double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. But how? Use the code. Don't forget the code Y432. Y432. Click on enter. 80% discount plus 1% extra through the app. Download the app first. Okay. So join this immediately. Also the new batches. Join the new batches. Okay, of Adda 24/7. Immediately join them. Just now they've started. Say this increment batch. Just now it is started. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Join these batches. If you join the Mahapack, you will get automatically this batch. For that, don't forget the code Y432 and don't forget to purchase it through the app. Okay, bye. Best of luck.